which I told y'all the last video, I'm not filming any more until I'm done with what I was doing. But I am finished with the fence back at my house, that section. I'm waiting to finish the other fence, and then I'll have my hot box and stuff so I can move the cows finally, which hopefully won't be much longer. But anyway, I'm riding over here right now to go check on Daddy and brother. They're over here baling. So they come over here about 30-45 minutes ago, I guess, probably, and got started. So go and check, see how the baler's doing. Brother had come over here probably about 45 minutes or so before Daddy and started raking. So we'll see where they're at. We're fixing to be there. So it's hot today, guys. All right, let's see here. The tailing sign is going to be whether there's net wrap on hay or if there's string on hay. That's going to be the telltale. It's not fixed, but they are baling. He's using string. Boy, it's dry. The string, oh, he's fixing to spit one out. And you see how long it's taking him? The string is just a lot slower than the net wrap. There it comes. Oh, and see all the string just fall off the side. It's not doing right even with the string. So, but these, yeah, see how it's throwing some of the string off the side. So, but that's what it looks like with the string on it. The ace raker there, doing what he does best on the cell phone. He's got a little ditch. There's a little ditch right there he's got to go across to go rake that other side over there. Got him a stick. keep waving at y'all. It's tying right now. It's on both sides right there doing that. See all the I know lots of people do the small bales, but we do the big bales. The smaller bales that people do is 4 foot wide, and ours is 5 foot wide. So we do the 5 by 6 bales, which it's not set to be quite 6 foot tall, but it's right there at it. So, but the string ain't never been really used on that baler too much, so I don't know. The left side there is not cutting. That's probably what's pulling the string off the side. See how this is? See, this one here didn't really pull the string off, but the other one did. All right, guys, well, that's a shot of some hay baling going on right now. So I'm fixing to go feed the cows right quick and go get everything ready. Today's my birthday, so what do y'all think about a fella? It's his birthday, but he got to go buy all the stuff and cook all of the stuff for everybody to eat and celebrate his birthday. I don't know if that's a good deal or a bad deal. So, but anyway, we are frying fish and boiling shrimp tonight. So anyway, I'm gonna go get the cows fed right quick, and we'll come back and check on the hay here just shortly. Cows are fed in their 2 new troughs. Brownie's baby is getting, this is her last baby, is getting big, almost tall as Brownie is. There we go. All right, well, see if they're eating any of their new mineral or anything that I got, and what the fly block looks like. They've nibbled on that a little bit. Fly block is still there. Oh yeah, let me spray them. Alright, well, we'll just start that process again, I guess. These flies are horrible. I need to go buy I guess one of those fly rubs. I said I'm gonna build one, and I am. I just got to get around to it. So that'll be something to do here in the next few videos, I guess. But I may also still buy one, because I have a perfect tree that's right out there.
It's 2 trees there.
It would go right in between. So or I could put it at one of the gate openings. But anyway. All right, let's go check on the hay right quick and see how much they got done. I think Daddy said he run out of string, but we'll go check and see right fast. All right, well, here's the hay they got done. Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bales. No, that there's bale that was already in the neighbor's yard over there that they had for decorations. So anyway, they got 9 bales rolled. The rest of it is raked up. Daddy run out of string. He didn't come over here with the intention of rolling with string, because we thought we had the wrap fixed on it, but it's not. So anyway, they just he figured that was a good stopping point today. So but anyway, all right then, guys, well, we're gonna wrap it up there. We got the cows fed. I went up there and disced up around where the fence is gonna be up there. Hauled some dirt up there, put some dirt in the stump hole. So now I'm finna go home and fry fish and stuff for my birthday. So anyway, guys, I appreciate y'all watching, and y'all hit that subscribe button, give us some likes, and Jessica would sure appreciate it. So anyway, guys, we'll catch y'all later.